Yeah, okay, there we go. Anyway, we're gonna go play a video game. And then, I'm turning my system sounds down. And then I go, whoop! Recap part, oh, yeah. I just couldn't move! A person there, This, wah! No, don't touch me! Oh, don't touch me! Oh, don't touch me! Oh my god, it's the Dark Souls VTuber! Hi, Killia! I'm known as the WVTuber. Oh my god. Babe. Oh my god. Fine, I will start killing people. Fine. Bitch. Roll. Oh, wow. Kill me. Oh my god. Sense it, why everyone? No! Kill. Stupid. This game. And then we go. No! We go. Wah! Yes. So that's what I'm doing wrong to be cracked. I must mimic a dying bird. Oh, she's so sweet to me, chat. Killia, she just has this way with words. She's so nice. Frames! Oh, I'm dead in a second! Yeah!
Hoi, Cheri's table here. Help. I don't want to end up like the chair.
Shut up! Shut up! You're gonna be happy with how I treat you. Shut the hell up! You know what I can do? You know what I say to that? Fuck you. Fuck you! That's what you get for speaking out. How dare you? Oh my god, it's so calm here. It's just so nice. Heal! She's weaving. She's going in. She's burning. Go, 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 go! Fuck!
Landy Pirate.
I've had the time of my life. I swear it's the truth. For Lord, what are you doing here? For Lord, for Lord. Dodge! Amazing! How does she do it? How does she do it? She bobs, she weaves, she goes in, but fuck! Yeah. 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 Whoop. Bop. 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 And then whoop. Shit. Ah. Ah. I hate my wife. Ah, boomer humor. Yes. Great, good job. Yeah, good job. You did it. Cheri is my emotional support zoomer. Just fucking kill me. Yeah. Oh, that was so stupid. Uh-huh. Yeah. Ugh. Ugh. Ah, damn it. Ah! Ah! Whoop, whoop, whoop. Yeah, frustrated Cheri noises. I feel blessed. Y'all are weird. Y'all are like, damn, my streamers frustrated. Ah, yes, that's the sounds of bliss in my ears. Yes. Yeah, I get it. I do understand it though. I'm just, you know, good at use this as an excuse to call you weird. Yeah! No, don't bully me, Uwu. Only head pats. Teehee.
Yes, chat, we must bully the streamer by giving her money.
No! Not the... Ah! Not the fucking... Oh! Oh! Oh, the misery. Every single person is my enemy. Huh? 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 It's when I say peacock, no one bats an eye. When I say poopcock, Jesus, you're so stupid. I didn't know that's this! Of course. Okay. The shit. Sure. Why not? How much? Yeah, we're doing this. Screw it. All right, cool. Oh my god. Ah. 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 Dark Orb was just super busted? Ah, maybe that's it. Hey, buddy, yeah, you're gonna blow up? That's cool. You blow up, buddy. My goal is to blow up and then act like they don't know nobody. Ah, da, 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 da. Do you guys remember that? Holy shit, that was a fucking Vine reference. In a stream chat of 2023, a Vine reference? Damn. Damn. Who am I? Ah. Road work ahead. Yeah, I sure hope it does. Actually, Megan, I can't sit here. I have hemorrhoids. God damn it, I didn't mean to backstab, you little bitch. He has the spell I do. Shut up, Bubble. He has all the spells I do. Why is his bigger than mine? Your spell shrunk in the cold water. Ah, yeah. You know what happens? You know, 1/3 of the situations it happens. It's not the size of your spell, it's how you cast it. Ah, yeah, of course. You do it! Kokoro, thank you so much for that! I'm having the time of my life. Ah! 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 Stop touching me! I'm having a good time. I'm having a good time. Hey, what's up? Ah! 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 Stop touching me! Ah! Ah! I've had the time of... Jesus! Unnecessary! Hostile! Sir, you look disgusting. What the fuck am I looking at? What am I looking at? You are so stupid looking. The foreskin prevents damage. Don't say those words. Don't say that. You're a mod. That means I have to see your message. Oh, you said frog skin? Oh. Whoopsie. I see. I see. If only Freud could see us now. Ah. No. You thought long and hard about saying foreskin? Thank you for at least admitting that. Let's do it again. I'm gonna die! Yeah. Damn, now everyone in the chat should be drunk. If you're watching Dark Souls 2 willingly, if you're like, ah, yes, Cheri, another Dark Souls 2 stream. You must be drunk or high or both. Okay. Fucking flee! not a woman? I mean, it could be. I just thought it was the hot lady with the bikini. Suck it, idiot! Stupid! That's what you get for standing still and getting stun locked, idiot! I'm cooking! Ha! Nope! Ha! Henceforth, perchance, doth do I Who are you? Your mom, lol. Sweet. Ooh, what's that? Okay. This is a very long one. Da 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 da. All right. Oh! I don't trust this shit. That was... I fucking knew it. Ah, Jesus. And whoop. I was waiting to use that, but I wasn't. Shit. Yeah. Shit. Yeah. Yeah. Shit, I'm... Ah! Okay. I like your voice, dude. It's kind of nice. You have a good voice. Oh! Oh! Sorry! I'm sorry! Sorry! Oh! What the fuck? Hey. Hey, queen. Hey. I'm so sorry. I meant to destroy the gray. Oh! It was worth it. Boop. Ah! Ah! I saw you. Ah! This guy has awful reach for being in the wall. You think he'd be able to move a little bit down. And then pop. Pop. There we go. I'm so sweet. I got this. I got this. Pop. Pop. Easy. Easy. Don't fall. Wait. There were so many of them. They ring my bell. Ring my bell. Oh! 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 Oh, I'm gonna... Bop. Yeah! Oh, he dropped... We're good. Target him. Ah! No! He's dragging me! We're good. Whoop! And then... Boop! Oh, shit. Boop! There we go! Whoop! You thought, you stupid... Avoid! Oh! Whoa! Unnecessary! And then... Oh! Oh! That's interesting! Shoop! That's... I'm so excited! Bro! Was Iron Foam about? Oh! Let's go over here. So, goodbye. Have a cherry good night. Bye.